Okay, so I'm back home from running all my errands. I got some really bad news, guys. Something unfortunate happened to the Lamborghini. And before this video starts, please be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Okay, we finally made it to Office Depot. So, just taking the car out, running some errands. She's doing pretty good. Hopefully they got what we need. So I'm standing next to Shaquille O'Neal. I don't know if this is life size. What do you guys think? Am I close? And I'm right at 6 feet, so this dude's big. However, he is cheating. He's cheating. Look at that. There's a difference. I don't know, but the right foot is on point. Wow, that dude's tall. Yeah, he's definitely life size.
That's the actual size of Shaq.
I was gonna say, because I was like, that's gotta be. And the bottom left foot is touching the ground, so that's gotta be accurate.
Yep.
So, he made me look bad today. Anyhow, all right, you got him?
Yes, sir.
Sweet, bro. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Okay, we're in business. We got our labels. All right, Roxy, let's go to the next location. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna go to McDonald's. I haven't ran this car through the drive-thru yet, so this will be interesting. I gotta get some breakfast burritos for the family, so let's hit up McDonald's. Drive-thrus kill the clutch, unfortunately. Ugh. All right. 6 breakfast burritos. Yep, and then 1 sausage muffin with egg, and that's it. I haven't had the breakfast burritos in a while, so we'll try that. See how it goes. Thank you. Okay, that was a little slower than I thought, but it was a success. Burned my clutch up a little bit. So that McDonald's probably cost me $200 in clutch life. So I'm looking at the inside of my car, and it's all freaking dusty. Oh, it's terrible. All you guys out there would kill me right now. It's so dusty. I still haven't detailed the inside of it since I picked it up. I know it's terrible, but I've been so freaking busy. And the guy that normally details my cars, he has been busy too. So, you know, everyone's busy nowadays. It's hard to get anybody to do anything. So I might just have to do it myself. All right, now I gotta get these breakfast burritos back to the kids. Oh, that sounds so good. Okay, so I'm back home from running all my errands. I got some really bad news, guys. Something unfortunate happened to the Lamborghini. I've been driving for 25 plus years, right? I've never had this happen to me. I had a bird hit the top of my windshield in my Lamborghini. Now, I wasn't going crazy speeds. I was in a 75-mile-an-hour zone. I was probably doing about 80. And this bird comes out of nowhere and hits the top of my windshield. I hear a huge thump, and it goes flying. So I don't know if I killed the bird. So I'm sorry if I did. It wasn't on purpose, obviously. But more importantly, I was worried about the car. I know that's terrible to say, but this is a $7,000 windshield. And I thought I cracked the windshield. So thank God it's not cracked. I feel terrible for the bird, but it is what it is. So let me see if there's any damage up here. So I was just driving, and I see this thing coming from the side of my peripheral vision, and all of a sudden it goes dunk. And so it doesn't look like nothing cracked, thank God. So I do see a little stain right here. That might have been when he said, "Oh crap," and that's exactly what happened. So that might be from that, but it looks like it's pretty good. So thankfully nothing happened. Sorry, little birdie. I'm so sorry that happened to you, but the car is okay. So that's what I was worried about. I know it's terrible. I know I sound so selfish, but you know, like I said, it's a $7,000 windshield. Sorry, bird. Hope you're in heaven. Maybe he's still alive. I don't know. Maybe he just rubbed the bottom of his belly and kept going. You know, some of us have bigger bellies, and that's why, you know, if I fall, I'm a bigger guy and I got this big dad bod to protect me, I get right back up. Now, if you had a guy with a six-pack, oh, he's done. He's out for like 2 weeks probably. So anyhow, the Lambo's good. So didn't mean to clickbait you guys into that. But it did happen. It did happen. So I was a little worried about it. Okay, so we ran our errands today in the Lambo. It did great. Now I just gotta get my labels out. Eat some burritos and time to get to work.